GigaMe Instructor Live Sessions. Today we take a session on linear and binary search tree.
Can you
Divya?
hear me? Yes. Oh, okay.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so what we did last time, we talked about the arrays, correct?
Correct.
First of all, tell me, how are you?
Yeah, good. And I did some examples problem from the portal.
Okay.
So, I feel like array part is okay. And also I did in Ash map, um, uh, in the fourth page, it was like arrays using the Ash map.
Wait, let me open this. GigaMe portal?
Yes, GigaMe portal algorithm array. In that,
Okay,
like
let me.
associated array in JavaScript, that means it is like a hash map using hash map in Java. So, and also that multi-dimensional array.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, have done that examples.
Okay, multidimensional you have done?
Yes, but in some easy problems I done, like in multi-dimensional array, how to add the elements in the first place in the multi-dimensional array. I just
Okay.
did that examples. Yeah.
So which problem we were saying in fourth page? I'm in fourth page.
Okay. In the fourth page, how to add element
Question number?
60 64. How to add element to an associate array,
Mm-hmm.
and also how to add element in the multi-dimensional array.
Okay, so they were using hash map.
Yes.
This one, right? Okay, yeah, they are using map. Array list, they are also using
Uh, yes, but they are using map.
hash map, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to so the confusion is using hash map, not using directly.
Not like that, but I feel some problem using hash map I feel easy compare to the array list,
Yeah,
last class.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, it is better approach.
Last class we have done that occurrence, right? Number of occurrence in the array.
Correct,
So yeah, they have done using the ash map.
correct.
The I feel like that is
Yeah, that
easy.
is more easy.
Yeah,
I'm not saying that we should not do it with this.
correct, correct.
So
But we are doing it in many ways for
yeah,
understanding.
yeah. So hash
Yeah,
map, because I know that you are very comfortable with two things in Java, that is map and that is array list. Correct?
correct.
Correct. You can write any code with that.
Yeah.
Right. So two approaches are already there in your mind. So we are going to talk about that approach which you are not good with.
Yeah, yeah, that is actually I have to learn, that is correct.
Okay, so but you're good with this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so any issue that you that occurred while solving the questions till I believe I gave you four pages, right?
Yes.
I gave it till four pages.
In 4 pages, some questions are a little bit big that I didn't complete that one, but all the basics I have completed. I can understand the coding. Yeah,
Okay,
till now.
but you
Yeah,
need to
that
write the
time
code.
only I try to search that copy the array. Last time we have put like taking the length and something,
Yeah, we
but
did. We saw two approaches, I believe, minimum, right?
uh, so at that time only I came know that here no like recording is that, because I couldn't able to find the code in the GigaMe portal based related to
Mm-hmm.
that. So I
Yeah,
will
because I'm
again.
also covering the
Yeah,
basics for you now. So
correct,
that's
correct.
why we started from there only. Okay,
Yeah.
I will talk to
Okay.
them that where the issue is going on.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now I think the basic is clear to you. Now let's move ahead with the search, linear search and binary search, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in between, the questions are might have come for the searching part as well. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me, any again, do you want me to do any question from till fourth page? that you are finding difficult, or you're good to go with the searching part now?
I'm good to go with searching part.
Okay, let's go then. Okay, there are two types of search. One is linear, one is binary search, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now tell me that in linear search, what approach is going to be there?
Linear search means we can go by we can find like the key
Mhm.
search.
Okay, for example, this is my array. Okay, the array is, let's say, 2, comma 5, comma 7, comma 1, comma 9, comma 4, comma. Okay, so 2, 5, 7, 1, 9, 4, 3. These are the elements that I'm taking here. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now let's say that int target is 7. Correct?
Yeah.
We need to find the 7. So int
If you are
index.
searching with some key value like if target to the array means, then it is a linear search.
Yeah. Okay. So index is equal to, then I'm going to write here linear search, round bracket, A double R, comma target. Okay. And then if round bracket index is not equal to, let's say, -1.
Okay.
Okay. Then println not found, right?
Yes.
You get this? Not equal to -1 means
Yeah, if there is no element we are
it
finding,
always
then we
returns
can
-1,
yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes.
So not found. Else println element, we need to say target. No, I wrote it wrong.
Uh, if index
When the
not found.
target element is not found, it returns -1. But I am doing the negation here. That means it has found the element,
Oh,
isn't it?
yes. Okay. If index not equal to -1. Okay.
Correct. Fine. And
Yes.
here element not found. That's it. Okay. Now for this one, what we have to do, we have to create one method, public, or sorry, class. I'm going to create class linear search. Okay. Then
Okay.
public static int linear search round bracket int. We are passing array, correct? And then we are passing target value, right?
Oh,
Now
okay.
we are going to iterate, correct?
Correct.
I is equal to 0, I less than array
Array
dot
dot length
length.
I plus plus, and we have to check if target equal to array of
Yeah,
I.
we are going to
Then
compare now, correct?
yeah,
If array of I
equal
is
to
equal to target, correct? Then
yes.
return I.
Return I.
Okay, and otherwise return -1 because the element is not there,
Oh yes.
correct? Now
Correct.
let us see there. Yeah, see, this is the error. Cannot find symbol. Can you tell me what happened here?
Int index. We pass that. Could you please could show me the full error? Int index linear search.
Cannot
Cannot
find
find.
symbol and this one. That's it.
Because here we don't want to use static, right? Because we are calling.
Hmm. So where the issue is? That's what I'm trying to ask you.
We can remove the static from here.
See, we have one public class.
Yes.
correct? Okay. Then we have
Correct.
public static int, that method.
Okay.
We are passing
Yeah.
everything.
Oh, we don't want that line number. Anyone line number 3 is enough, or line number 2 we don't want.
Line number 2,
Yes.
we don't want. This is sufficient.
Yes. It's like we are creating like a method.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. We already have the main class.
Okay. Let's say I'm removing this, correct?
Yes.
It will work.
Yes.
Classes or interface errors.
This is like linear search we are creating as a method. So we can remove the static public void. Then it will work. So, in line number 17, we are creating the method. We are not linear search like this is the method name. Like we are not creating class. Am I correct? If you are creating the class means we have to.
Give the object,
Yes.
correct? So
Correct.
let me put it like this. This is the only error that was coming at that time. That
Yeah.
is not able to find the symbol.
Yeah.
So what we can do, is it right?
Yeah, this is right. Linear search dot linear search.
It will give me answer. Oh, wait, I need to. You know what this error is about? At a time, only one class is going to be public, that is the main class.
Yeah.
So then the file name
Yeah.
should be same to the main class. Is public should be declared in a file name.
Linear search dot
Yes.
Java. Then we have to
Okay. I need to
remove.
remove public as well. At a time, there is going to be only one public class, right? They are the rules of the Java, correct?
Correct.
No?
Yeah. Uh,
In
but I'm just like, why we need to call as a class here? Is there any purpose, or we can call as a method itself?
which one? This one?
Found element. Okay. Yeah.
No, this one.
Huh.
See, whenever you're having anything static declared, there is no need for you to create the object for that class, right? What you can
Yes.
do, if anything is static, you can directly use them just by writing their class name. That's why I wrote class name here.
Okay. That I understand that by calling the class, we can calling the method inside the class, but actually, for returning the index, we can just create the method and get the index. Right?
Okay,
Is
you are
that
saying that you can create the method inside the main class as well, right?
no, 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 no?
Outside
I'm
only?
saying, yeah. Instead of creating the class,
Okay, I'm
we
going to
can.
remove this. I'm going
Huh.
to remove this. Okay, fine now.
Yeah. Can
Okay,
remove the stat.
and
And yeah.
okay, let me remove the static even. It is correct. Okay, now let me remove this one as well, right? It is right now.
Huh. It will public void and okay, right. Correct.
Correct. Void or int, where they both are return types, right?
Yeah.
We are returning. Okay. See, it is saying that it is expecting class, interface, or something like
Oh,
that.
okay.
Got it now? That's why I
Yeah.
put class
Okay.
there.
Yeah.
So these, see, actually Java is basically pure object-oriented programming language,
Okay.
right? In pure object-oriented programming language, they always ask for everything they want to do it in the form of class only.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So, very straightforward question I'm going to ask you. Can I declare function outside main method or outside main class?
Declaring the function.
Yeah, directly without Any class.
Oh.
In
Uh,
Java, all the methods must be declared within a class. That is the rule of Java.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
got it now?
Yes, got it.
Okay, yeah. Fine. So now see, we have found the element at index number 2, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. You know why? I don't know why this is keep changing the name. Correct. Now, can you go
Yes.
logic and tell me that what has happened here?
Yes, I can. Like we are returning the value of index from the another class with this. We can mention as a static. So we are taking the value from the.
Correct, right? That's it. And this
Yes.
is very simple. What is the complexity of this one?
We are using that for loop. So this is like of n.
O of n, correct. Right?
Yeah.
Because we are using just one loop here. Now, if I'll talk about the binary search, what do you mean by binary search?
Um, like uh, uh, like how I know means binary search means if we have one array, then we have to compare the array like from the middle, which one is high and which one is low. So
Correct.
from the sorted array, we have to compare.
Okay, how you are going to find the mid element?
Sorry. Hello.
How
Hello.
you are going to find the mid element?
Okay, so mid element means we have to take the like total length of the array and like divide by two. That means off of the array we have to find the mid element. That is
Okay, left and right, fine. And what approach is going to be used there? I mean, the complexity, okay, according to you, let's say we have found out the mid element, correct? Then how we are
yeah.
going to decide, let's say it is 7, then what is going to happen?
Like how it will be means like in binary search, um we have to check by the first half of the value, second half of the value, and like mid of the value. So if it is 7, then I don't know that.
Okay,
But usually we'll do, yeah.
okay. So I'm going to show you the binary search here. Let's see the diagram.
Okay.
Okay, now let me show you binary search this one. Okay, now let's say this is the mid element that you have found, 16.
Okay.
Okay, and your target element is to find the, let's say, they have not suffice anything. Search 78. See, we need to search 78 here, correct?
Correct.
So that you have found the mid element 43, right?
Okay.
Okay, now after finding the mid element, one thing that you must need to be, you must need to do is your tree, sorry, your array should be in sorted form. For the
Okay.
binary tree to implement, binary search to implement in the array, it is its, you can say, predefined requirement that the array should always be in the sorted form. Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Right. So now if it is in the sorted form, and if we want to find the, after getting the mid element 43, we will easily know that which side we want to go, because after finding the mid element, let's say this is the mid element. Okay, I'm going to use this diagram. This is the mid element, correct?
Yes.
This one. Okay. Now, if the element is smaller, then I'm going to go to the left side. If the element is greater, I'm going to go to the right side. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. So don't you think that's how the binary search is basically going to cut down the time complexity?
Yeah.
How?
Because we are not going through loop, we are just uh, taking the length of the array and finding out the mid. Then we are comparing with based on the target value. We are just comparing with any one side, either left or right.
Correct. Okay. So at the starting, you are going to go to the right side if you want to go search for the 78. Correct?
Correct.
Now, after that 78, again, what you're going to do? Again, you're going to find the mid element.
Okay.
See, this is, do you know recursion?
Sorry, conjun.
Recursion.
Recursion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that?
So recursion. Uh, like if we have like it's we can break down the usually recursion means if we have that if we are going to find some range of numbers or that we can break into a simple uh, steps and we can do that is the recursion.
That is the recursion. Right. Okay. So basically when, see, recursion is basically when we are calling some method again and again, correct?
Correct.
That what the recursion is, right?
Yes.
Now, in the, don't you think that if we have found out the element here, right? This is the 78 element that you need to find. For
Okay.
first, we have gotten the mid element. We know that which what part to go, right? Then again, we are going to call the method to find out the mid element again, because now we are stuck with this array only. Now this is our complete array. In this, I'm
Okay.
going to find out the mid element again. Then I will decide at which part I want to go, this side or this side. So that's how I need to find out the element.
Okay.
Got it now?
So we are binary search by implementing the recursion.
Correct. We are doing the binary search by implementing the recursion. Got it now?
Yes.
Okay, now let's start. Divya, just give me 1 minute. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
I wanted to create the logic in your mind. I'm going to ask you only.
Okay.
Okay, here, Divya, tell me how to do that.
Sorry. Here.
Yeah, give me the logic, how to write the code.
Um. Yeah. Like. So first we have to take the mid value from the total array of the length.
Mm-hmm.
So if array of length divided by 2 like that, we have to take the mid value, and we have to compare that if mid value uh,
Hmm.
uh,
If mid
like
value is less than.
less than or greater than. So
No, not mid value. The value that we are going to find out is less than or greater
the
than.
target, okay, yeah, the target value is greater than mid value, or the target value is less than the mid value.
Correct. Okay, I'm going to give you one array. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go in here. Let me remove. Okay, let me remove this part only. We have, this is the same array, okay? Let's say we need to find out the 7 again. Fine. First of all, we need to
So,
sort the array. Otherwise, we're never going to find it. This one is not sorted array. That is the first condition, okay? So right now I'm going
yes.
to just use the direct method of sorting because we have not covered the sorting part.
Yeah. So array dot sort.
Yeah, very good. Arrays dot sort.
Sort.
Okay, and I need to sort this one. Fine. Then we have int index, and then I'm going to apply the binary search. For the
Done.
array and the target element, if the rest of the things are going to be the same. Okay. Now I'm
Okay.
going to create here, let's say,
Binary search.
binary search. Binary search. Okay. Then inside this, I'm going to create public static int.
Binary.
Where we are getting this and this element. Now the logic is going to be different inside this now. Okay. So we have one,
Yes.
that's it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write here int
Mid.
left is equal to 0
Okay.
and int. We need to define the extreme left and the right side at first, right?
Okay. Okay.
Length -1. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the array. So it will be very easy for you to visualize.
Okay.
How many elements we have? What is the length? 7.
7. Yeah.
Okay. So this is 0. This is 1. This is 2.
3.
And this is going to be 3. This is going to be, let's say, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. To find out the mid value, always what we do, we add this value and this value and divide by 2. Correct? That's how we find the value. Correct?
Correct.
Fine. So for to identify this part and this part, this is the array. So that's why I'm writing that the left side is going to start from 0 and the right side is basically going to, okay, this is basically this 8 elements. We have only 7. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, and this is 4, and this is 5, and this is 6. Okay, so we have 7 elements. So to find the 7 elements, we need to start from 0 index, that is the left side, and then we need to get to the right index, that is the 6. So that's what I have taken here. Is it clear now?
Yes. Clear.
Any confusion again, I'm asking?
No confusion, but like whatever the usually in final search, is this the default one? Like if we have to take left as 0 and right as array of length -1, or
Okay,
it will.
otherwise tell me what is the other way that you're thinking that you can find out the mid element? How?
Uh, uh, like no, I how I asked means, but like uh, int left 0 means we are giving as the index, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So we are having total how many elements? 0 to 6
Correct.
elements,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are finding it like this, 6 divided by 2. Or you can also do one thing. What is going to be the length now? Length of
Yeah.
the array. You can also divide it by 2.
2. Okay.
Correct? Either you are
Correct.
going to do this,
Yeah. R else length divided by 2.
okay? Or what you can do, take the array length, okay, divide by 2. And then you will get the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, got it now?
Yes, got it.
Okay, so for the mid value,
Now left plus right divided by 2 by 2.
by 2. Correct?
Yes.
Fine. Now let me see print ln mid. What the answer is going to be?
7 divided by 2, 3.5.
I think the error is going to come.
Written mid.
At line number 9.
No, we added one more braces. We have to put return statement. Yes. Mid. Okay.
This one compiler is not giving me now dikkat.
If we put that
Three.
class line number 2 to after line number 25, then
No, I'm just finding the mid value. The mid value they are giving 3. Okay,
yeah,
so 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Correct?
correct.
Okay, now let's say if I'm going to find out the value of the mid like this. Int mid is
Me
equal to,
array dot length.
correct, array dot length divided
Okay,
by 2. Correct?
yeah, correct.
Okay, now let's see that what the answer is going to come. Array, again it is changed now.
Like, can we move this class like below the line number 26? That class binary search,
That's what you're thinking the problem is.
because it is taking the first class.
But
What
still, I have
problem?
not made it public now. Now see, again the value is 3, right? So either you are
Yeah.
going to do this way, that is also fine, or you can
Okay.
also do this way. Both the ways are fine. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go with this. This is basically the standard part that you are going to say everywhere, but you can also go with this one because you're not going to declare any n number of arrays.
Yeah.
Variable, sorry. Okay.
Okay.
While left is less than is equal to right, जो हमेशा रहेगा, correct?
Ah,
Int mid is equal to,
if left less than or equal to right. Left.
at some places you will also see, left plus right, left plus right minus left divided by 2. I don't know why they write this logic. Left minus right in the starting, if you're taking left is equal to 0, that is always going to be 0, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we go with this one. Now, if the array of mid is equal to target.
Target. Then we are returning the mid element.
Yeah, then there is no need to go ahead, right? Then we are going to return mid. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, just 1 second. I need to put my charger.
Yeah. Okay.
See, Divya, I will tell you one thing. You're good in understanding the logic, right? But you
Mhm.
need to work very, very hard in writing the code. You
Yes.
know this part, right?
Yes.
See, as being your mentor right now, I am the one who can tell you the direct things. Otherwise, you will always be in the false hope.
Yeah, that is correct. You can tell that. So only I can improve myself. But the like I'm trying to put many examples. But
Yeah,
the
I
thing is,
know,
I
I know.
can't
You're the
concentrate
first
on that.
one. You're the
Yeah.
first one who completed the 4 pages um as
I
a
said like
homework.
not all the problem.
But still, you reached till 4 pages, right? So
Yes.
people don't do that generally because they are very busy in some of their work, whatever is there. But
Okay.
I know you're working hard. You're working very hard. But we should also know where our weak points are.
Okay.
Then we can go ahead, right? So that's
Yeah.
what I'm going to remove from inside you. Like I'm going to remove all the weakness of your coding part. That is
Okay.
my
Yes.
main goal.
Yeah. Sure.
No, I
Yeah.
have
The thing
to.
is, I have very low confidence in writing the
I can
code.
see. That's why I'm telling.
Uh,
That's why I started this conversation right away. That
but I have full confidence. But see, after I came to US only, I'm like really struggling not to get in the get into the company because the coding because of the all the companies are asking the coding interview. But in India, like I have full confidence to attend the interview. Even I have full confidence to work. Like in work wise, like I have full confidence to, but here I can't even go to the second level, because in the first level itself coding interview, I'm just if they are asking anything in live interview, I don't know to even put any code, like it's stuck fully. So this is the thing. What you are
In
saying is exactly correct.
you're talking about outside India, right?
Yes.
The competition is very high here as well.
Correct. Yeah. So I've because I have 7 years of experience in India, I had changed 3 companies. Sorry, 4 companies. But I didn't feel any struggle or anything. But here, like I'm facing a big struggle. I feel like I will not get job.
And what is it, the type of questions or the format they are doing it?
No, they are just randomly asking the questions.
Not pattern.
Yeah. Some companies asking the lead code, some companies like live coding, they are just randomly asking some questions, but it is very basic only. I'm saying like I can't say like the live coding is like more difficult, but no, not like that. The concept have to understanding is difficult, but after the interview over, if I put that in the Google and I came to miss, oh, it is very easy code for my
Easy.
experience, but I don't know to put this code, that I feel like low confidence. After that, after 2 3 interviews, I came to know that I can't put the code, I can't even put the easy code. That is the thing.
No, that's not. That's where you are losing your confidence by yourself only.
Yes, yes, really, that is the thing.
I don't think so that you need to put down your confidence low. No need for to.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to. That's why I started this conversation, because while you were giving the answers me right away, now I don't know in
But
between.
if you ask me to write means, then I will stuck.
Yeah. No, in between as well, when I was talking to you, you are not giving me answers confidently. Like, even the answers
Oh,
are right now, still you are under confidence.
yeah,
Yes,
correct.
Gilman. So that's what you don't have to do. Show your full confidence. If you don't know, don't. I don't know. That's it. Simple.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now let's
Yeah.
move ahead. So now, if array mid is equal to target. Okay. So return mid. Fine. Then
Yes.
if target is greater than, then what we are going to do, and if the target is less than, then what we are going to do. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if let's say array mid is less than target, that means the target is greater. Correct?
Correct.
Fine. So what we have to do, I'm going to increase left is equal to mid plus
Mid plus one.
1. Got the idea that why we did that?
Yes. Uh, because like if target is less than the mid value, then
Mhm.
we are taking from the left hand side of the mid array.
Correct. Now see, we have the array here, that is 2, 5, 7. Okay, so 2, okay, 5,
Okay.
and then we have 7, and then we have 1, and then we have 9, and then we have 4, and then we have 3. Sorry, I have put it in the wrong way. We have already sorted this, correct?
Yes.
Right? So 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
2, and 3, and then 4. What is the next? 5,
Five. Oh, here. Okay. 5, then 7, 9.
7, and 9. Okay. Now the mid value was 3. That means this one. Okay.
Yes.
Now our target value is 7. So from this point of view, the mid value is 4. The target value is 7. So that means mid value is less than 7. Correct? That means the target value is greater. Correct? So
Correct.
what we are going to do? Then we are not going to find any element on the left side. Correct? Never.
Okay.
Isn't it? Because 7 is greater.
Yes.
So all the
Yes.
elements are left to the mid side. This is the mid. All the elements to the left side of mid are all always going to be smaller. Then there is no need for us to go here. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, then what I will do, I will discard this entire part. How? By maintaining this line. So then I will update my left, whatever the mid was, then I will make this one as my left side now. So that again, see, this is a smaller array. It might be the possibility now the array is very huge here. correct? Again,
Correct.
you need to find out the mid value, so that again in that huge array you need to know that which side you want to go.
Okay.
Getting me? No, right?
Getting the which side we want to go, we are getting, and after that, what we are doing, we are that mid plus one. You said, right? Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, wait. I'm feeling that you're not understanding in between a few of the things, right? That's why we are doing the left is equal to mid plus I, right? One.
That left equal to mid plus I. Yeah, understand, but that I usually we are comparing the value from the right, correct?
Hmm.
That mid less than target means. So just want to know that what we are doing in the left.
So this is the array.
Okay.
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 Now, in this array, we are going to, let's say we're going to start from 0 index. Okay, I will draw it here. Let's say
Okay.
that this is the 0 index. Okay, this
Okay.
is the 1 index, this is the 2 index. Okay, and this is the 3, this is the 4 index. Okay, and this is the 5 index, this is the 6, this is the 7, this is the 8, and this is 9. So total 10 elements are there, correct?
Correct.
Now let's say the data is in the sorted form. So I'm going to put here 11, then I'm going to put here 14, then I'm going to put here 21, then 34, then 45, then 58, then 62, okay, and then 78, and then 88, and then 90. Okay.
Okay.
Now we know the index value. So what we did in the starting, we found out the mid value, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So for this one, the mid value is basically going to come 5.
Yes.
Okay. So this is
Because
the mid
0 to
value.
10. Yeah.
Correct. Now let's say that your target element is what? Let's say it is 90.
Okay.
Okay. Or what we can do, we can also increase the array here.
Yeah. Okay.
Insert columns to the right side. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say it is now 100. Fine. Then again, let's say now it is 120. Okay. Now,
Okay.
how many elements are there?
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
10.
and 11. Okay.
Yeah.
So the mid value is going to be
6.
6, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the element that we are going to find out is 120. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, we have taken the mid value, that is the 6 here.
62.
So we will see whether the target element is less than or greater than. Okay, now because our array is sorted, so we will easily identify if the element is greater than the mid value. That means it is 120 right now. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, so it is never going to be found on the left side, this side.
Correct.
So what will I do? I will discard this side. Correct?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now my right side is going to be this one forever. Okay, in
Okay.
this case.
Okay.
So
Okay.
till this part, I have discarded everything. So this is not here.
Yeah.
What will I do? Then again, I need to identify the closest path that I can go to the 120. So what will I do in this case? Now, this is the part that you need to understand. Left was what? 0.
Okay.
This was the mid part,
Okay.
correct? Now,
Correct.
in the mid, now I want to make this one as my left side. So that again, the way I have did for the entire array, whatever the remaining array is going to be there, I'm going to perform the same binary search. So that means now this is going to be my new array.
Okay.
Got it? So now I want to
Okay.
make this left side. Okay, so first of all, let us listen that now this is left side and this is right side. Again, it is going to find the mid value, correct?
Correct.
The mid value
Yeah.
is going to be by now 90, correct?
Yeah.
Now we will know that we do not have to
Don't
need to
want
traverse this one. Then we'll go towards this side.
towards to say yes.
Again, we will see the mid value. Okay, let's say the mid, now only two elements. The mid value is basically going to come this one. Now this is the target element. So what is happening by doing this? What we are doing, we are basically, you know, we can say the need of traversing each an element. We are not doing, we are not traversing each an element, right?
Yeah, we are not doing.
We are not doing that. So that's where the complexity is going to be less. Because the complexity, the array complexity always comes with the traversing of the array elements, because unnecessarily you have to traverse each and every element to reach to its target value, correct?
Correct.
Correct. But we are not going to do this here. In the binary search tree, first of all, we need to find that whether the value is living in the left side or right side. Depending on that, then we are going to create the logic. Now, in this situation, our element was present on the right hand side, right? So that's why I discarded the entire left side. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
again, I want to do I want to perform the same functionality now, so that if the array of the right side is very big, again I will try to find the mid value, and then I will see that inside this big array where I have to go again, left side or right side,
Okay.
right? Then it will be easy. Then again, I'm not going to traverse this part. I will traverse only this part, correct?
Correct.
Again, if this array is very good, again I'm going to find out the mid value, and then I will go to
Yes.
left and right. So this process is continued. That's why I update my left value. Now the left value in the starting was 0. Now this is the sub array that I got.
Okay. Okay.
This is sub array that I got. Now I know that I am never going to find the value on this side. Okay, so I have
Okay.
removed this.
So we are
Correct.
updating the left array. Okay.
Correct. So that's why now this was the mid. Now my mid element is basically going to be on this side. Okay, so it is going to be mid plus 1. This is the mid value now. So plus 1,
Yeah.
I'm going to get left side here. Now it is clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now tell me. Now I'm going to reverse the situation. Let's say that's in the starting you found out the mid value is this one. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the 6th index number. Now, if the element that you were searching for is 11, then what
Yeah.
is going to happen?
So then it will go to the okay. Searching was 11 means it is less than the mid value.
Correct?
Correct. So that means we don't want the right part. After 62, we don't want. So we
Correct.
are
I'm going
going
to,
to,
yeah, see,
yeah.
I'm going to remove everything from here. Correct?
Yeah. That
Okay.
means the right
This is the
index,
left.
right value will change. Yeah.
Very
So,
good. Correct. Right. So
yeah.
this is the right side. Okay. Now I need to change the right side. So left is always going to be same. Then right was the array length dot 1. Correct.
Correct.
Array dot length minus 1. Correct.
Correct.
Now this is the mid value. Tell me what the right side is going to be.
So right equal to um, array of mid.
Directly you can write mid. Yeah, mid.
Uh, mid minus 1.
Correct. Then right is going to come here. Then again on this sub array, we are going to find the mid value. Okay. Then we'll see that this is the part that I really don't have to traverse. Okay. Then
Yeah.
these are the two elements. For the two elements, let's say this is going to be the mid value. Then again, I have to go this side. There is only one element. Then I will see whether that element is equal to or not. If yes, then yes, the element is there. We have found the element. If let's say the element we are searching for 10. But right now here we have just 11 value. That is the one value. Then that means the element is not found anywhere.
Okay.
Correct? Got it?
Correct. Good.
Okay, so this is the approach that we need to understand at first. Before writing, that's what I'm saying. You know, do always, whenever you're going to practice for any question, in your mind, first of all, the concepts are clear in your mind, correct? The array is now clear. So now the linear and the binary search tree array concept is also clear to you. So what you're going to do, you're going to, in your mind, first of all, it is going to take time. At first, you know, it will take a time of like, let's say 5 or 10 minutes. You always take a pen or paper, okay? Draw there like I was telling you that how to do, correct?
Correct. Okay.
Okay, draw there, then see that what type of approach you are going to use here. Okay, and then you can start writing the code, because I think after writing the code, like after creating the structure like this that I have created in front of you, now it is going to be easy for you to write the code.
Yes.
So now, so slowly, I'm also going to improve this. Right now, take a pen or paper, write, draw there, okay, and then slowly, I'm going to make sure that you are not going to, you're not going to be in the need of using the pen or paper. Now you have to think logically in your mind. Okay, this is going to be the array, and this is how the flow is going to be. We are going to reach to that part. Then start writing the code.
Okay.
Got it? Now I
Got
want. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, please tell.
Okay, so now I want, I'm not going to write the code for this one. You are the one who is going to write the code.
Okay.
Okay, you are the one who is going to write out the code. Okay, now
Yeah.
do one part till page number 7. Okay,
Okay.
till page number 7, you have to do all the questions in the array.
Okay.
No, till 4 you have done, na? You can take till 10 pages now. Yeah, I'm going to, it's okay. If you are not able to complete it, that's fine.
Okay.
Then that's fine. There is no issue in that if you're not able to complete that.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay, I'll see you next time then. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, in between, if I have any doubt at all, if you are feeling any difficulty, just message me. If you're feeling under pressure, message me.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
bye bye. Take care.
Yeah, bye. Thank you. Bye.
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 Thanks for watching. Want to stay updated and learn more? Follow us on social media.